This is Nara, and as you can see, she's already curled half of her hair with Curl Secret, and just look at the difference in body, in bounce, in shine. Does your hair normally curl like this?
No, it's usually really thick and coarse and never holds a curl. I can never pull it off.
I want you to try Curl Secret. All you have to do is take a section of hair, so go ahead and grab a small section. And all you have to do is open up Curl Secret. Make sure the curl chamber opening is facing your head, just like she's doing it. And then just put your hair into the guide, clamp it shut, and it does all the work for you. So now we're just waiting for the 3 beeps, and once we hear those, she's gonna release and have a perfect curl, just like that.
I love this.
Okay, can we see that again in slow motion? Because I know it happens so fast. Just take a look. All you do is place a section of your hair into Curl Secret, and it instantly draws in the hair and it curls it for you. Look at that, in just seconds. Hair goes in, curl comes out. It's really that easy. Now you're doing the back of your hair, which for us girls, it's difficult to get the back to look nice.
Exactly.
But, I mean, you're making it look really easy. Are you struggling, or it really is that simple?
This is all I have to do. I don't have to. Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
Voila.
Perfect curl that looks exactly like that curl. And look all the way to the end. You have a curl.
Oh, it's
so
amazing.
Simple.